guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Rainy. For now, I'm going to teach you how to make a fig. Okay. Ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's start! Let's start now. Okay. Okay, wala po yung ano. So, you have to wear the wired bra. This one should be tight. Strap should be tight. This rolled brief. Ito yung brief ko. Yung brief ko na ni-roll up ko lang. Okay. All we have to do is to put this one to the edge of the chest, limb. I don't know. Basta. Just do it. Okay. So grab this one. English ko. Alright, grab it up like that. Ang purpose sa pag-tie it up, sobrang tight. Yung ano, yung muscle ng ano mo dito, ipapa-forward. So this is my favorite blouse ever. Dapat kita yung shoulder, ito, tsaka your chest. Because it will enhance your body. My body, your body, everybody. Right, so adjust lang. Bibili ng makeup para lang sa breast mo. Ganyan lang. So, i-wear na natin yung ano, wig mo. So, ano ba yun? Nasaan yung suklay? Nasaan yung suklay? So, wag nating pakialaman yung kilikili ko. Don't disturb my underarm. Okay? Just fix it until you decide na. Why don't you sit there for less? Diba? Nagkaroon ka na ng release. Kaya tagpila mo anong makaroni sa loob ko. So, what are you wait for? Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Have a good day.